Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Macy's Beauty Advent Calendar for 2019. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my Macy's Advent Calendar just arrived and I'm really excited to get this. Now last year I wanted to get this, but I was really struggling on a budget last year, so I only got very few Advent calendars. Well, I got as much as I could. This is one that I was eyeing and I just kept I kept saying no because of the small sample sizes. This year I looked at it and I said no again because of the small sample sizes, but when I couldn't get the big Jeffree Star, I'm like, you know, I have a little bit of money that I had saved, so I went ahead and ordered this one and a different one, which the other one's coming from the UK, so it's still gonna be a few weeks for that one. But this one's normally $129 with a $297.67 value. When I looked at this, I looked at it again after I couldn't get the big mystery box, and it was on sale for $100. So I'm like, it must be a sign. So I got $29 off. I got this for $100, free shipping, and it's back to $129. So as of right now, this bad boy you can get for $129. Again, it's supposed to have almost a $300 value. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. If you haven't seen my other Advent calendars, I have done quite a few of them, so you can check out my channel and see the different ones. And I still have like 3 more coming, I believe. So I love this time of year. So let's take that guy off. And how does this open? Aha! There we have it. This is the one where I need to rip into each individual one. So there we go. Let's go ahead and just see. So right in here will be door or product number 1, and there is a little card attached right here that I think, ooh, nice catch, right in my legs. This, and then I dropped that too. Here is the first item. This is Worth the Hype Volume and Lengthening Mascara by NYX. I do not have a mascara by NYX actually. So even on the back here, it says $129. And then in here, it goes through all of the different ones. It just gives you the ingredients. It doesn't tell you about the product. So I'm not even going to reference that. So door number 1, Worth the Hype, NYX Black. Is it black? Volumizing Strengthening Mascara. So there's that guy. And it actually goes in order. So number 2, we have a Mario Badescu, I'm not quite sure, skincare facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. So this I'll probably put in a future giveaway because now I have way too many and I see that rose water. So I'd rather this go to somebody who would use it. So I'll probably put this in a future giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Number 3 is right here. And it's a really small Sunday Riley Auto Correcting Brightening and Deep Puffing Eye Cream. So at least for the eye, this would be a good size, but if this was like an all-on face cream, this would be a little tiny. But I already know these were going to be small samples, and a lot of you guys say it's not worth it. That's why I just really didn't want to, but I needed to get it out of my system. So door number 4. Oh, Urban Decay Eyeshadow Priming Potion. But I haven't seen one with this little lid, so maybe this is like a new product, like a new revamped tube, because I haven't seen it with that kind of lid before. Mine doesn't have that lid, so I must have the older version. Number 5. Ahava. Ooh, ooh. Okay. So this is Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. That's a good size for a hand cream. All right, so going to the second side, number 6. Now we have something from Girlactic. It's a Precise Eyelining Marker in black. So I'm going to assume this is a liquid liner, and I don't use liquid liner, so I will go ahead and set this aside for a future giveaway as well. And I don't think I have anything from Girlactic, but I won't use it, so. Get out. All right, so this is the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Face Wash by Philosophy. And I do really like this brand, so I'm excited to see that in here. On the top it says, oh, new formula on the sticker. Okay, so that side's all done. Go to door number 8. And this is IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. Number 9. Peter Thomas Roth Potent C Serum. So this is a face serum, and this looks so familiar. So I don't know if I already have this. If I do, then I'll set this in a future giveaway, but it looks very, very familiar. It's a vitamin C serum. It looks so familiar. So number 10. This is Pure Aura 24 Karat Gold Premium Peel Off Mask. There's that. I prefer sheet masks, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that particular item. Number 11. This says Peach Punch Sweet Cream Cleanser. Ooh, by Tony Moly. I see peach. Anything peach, I'm all for it. Is there a safety seal? Probably. Tony Moly normally does. Yeah, there's a safety seal, but I wanted to smell it. I'm sure that smells amazing. A sweet foam cleanser. I can't wait to try that. And this guy here is Cream Sorbet Moisturizing Sorbet. So that's number 12. All right, let's get to the next section here. Number 13. Okay. This is a Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. So there's that guy. Number 14. We have a full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in Heathers. That looks like that might be a really pretty color. Hold up, I might actually be liking something. Liking. Let's see. If that's like a berry color. Ooh, it is. It's like a berry color. You know what? Let me go ahead and swatch this. Whoa. That is a dark. Let's get it on, you guys. Let's get it on. That is dark, but it's definitely a good Christmas holiday color. So I think this is a perfect color for an advent calendar. Way out of my total comfort zone. Totally out of my comfort zone, but you guys, I kind of think it looks cute. What do you think? I think it actually looks cute. I'm just gonna stick at that. So I'm really excited about door number 14. Okay, so door number 15. We have Rituals Bringing Peace and Tranquility into Your Life. Balancing Formula Shower Gel. All right, so we have a shower gel. This color is very dark. What do you guys think though? Can I pull it off? I'm so like not comfortable with it on right now, but I'm gonna finish the rest of the video with it on, so you're stuck with looking at it. So let's go ahead and go with number 16. We're halfway through. Well, we're more than halfway through. This says Power Infusing Concentrated. What is this? It says Power Infusing Concentrate. So I'm not quite sure what that is, but there's door 17 or 16. Here's 17. This is a deodorant, cashmere mist. So we have a deodorant. 18. Oop, this one's taped in. Were they afraid it was gonna jump out? The tight squeezer anyway. That was weird. Okay, so this is an anti-wrinkle intensive moisturizing concentrate. Number 19. Clear Improvement Activated Charcoal Mask to clear pores. So a mud mask. This is the biggest one so far. And this is a cream cleanser. A cream cleanser. Is there a safety seal? Yes, there's a safety seal. So I don't want to open it right now to smell it, but let's see number 21. 21, we have a Clinique Moisture Surge Eye. 96-hour hydro filler. So is this like an eye cream? A little tiny sample. Moisture Surge Eye. There's like little things in there. Looks like there's like little pink little, I don't know what's in there, but there's a little Clinique product. So we have something from Clinique. 22, we're almost getting there. We have an Elemis product. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Aging. And this I might put in a future giveaway because I just got a full size one in my Look Fantastic Advent calendar. And yeah, so I'll probably stick this one in a future giveaway so somebody else can enjoy it because I have the full size product already. Number 23 is a Dr. Brandt. Look at the lid, it's all wonky. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Anti-Age Defying Exfoliator. So there's that. Let's see, number 24. We have something from Estee Lauder. This is an Advanced Night Repair. Just says Advanced Night Repair. There's no directions or anything, so let's see. You can kind of see the words there. Let's see. I thought it was gonna be like a nail polish or something, but I guess it's just like a serum in there. So we have an Estee Lauder product. Now number 25. Come on, let's get something good in number 25. Oh, really? $15 off your next beauty purchase. So we don't even get an item in number 25. We get a $15 off coupon. Joy. So they should have maybe put this with an item on the 25th day, not just because what if you don't want to buy anything else? Then you're like, where's my 25th item? I think that was a little bit of a bummer. I think they should have put in a product with that, but what do I know? My honest opinion, I think it's okay. It does give you a lot of small samples. I actually do like the full-size lip product. I know that that's not cheap. There are some pretty good products in here. You get $15 off if you use a future purchase on beauty. I just did my Look Fantastic, which was like the same exact price, and you got so much. You got the full-size Elemis product. Full-size Elemis product. You got a Morphe palette. There was a highlighter palette. There was so many other items in that one that I'm gonna say if it was between Macy's and the Look Fantastic all day long. But if you like these products and you want to purchase them, by all means, go for it. I wanted to get it because, again, I wanted it last year. Oh, and if you guys want to know, this color, I think I already told you, it's Heather's is the color. Last year I wanted to get it and I passed. This year I got the opportunity opened up, so I took it. and I wanted to kind of get it and see for myself what the products were gonna look like. I do have a lot of tiny sample sizes in front of me, where when I just opened up the Look Fantastic, I didn't have this many small sizes in front of me, but it's two completely different companies. I would just, if you're gonna spend $100, I think Look Fantastic would be the way to go. That's just my own personal opinion. And yeah. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Did you think this was good for the $100? Well, now it's $129. It's even more than the Look Fantastic, actually. So let me know what you guys thought down below. Your positivity means the world. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.